Hi everybody, it's Friday. Today we have a video meeting with the principal at noon. Tenemos una reunión de video con la directora al mediodía. For your homework today, you need to write in your English journal, write numbers 1 through 4. Necesitas escribir en su diario de inglés, números 1 a 4. También si ya hiciste tu tarea, go here to this class, the mindfulness room. Let's see. Hay más videos aquí. You can look at any of these videos for your homework today, if you already did your homework. Okay, other than that, if you didn't do your homework, you need to watch the videos in here for the instructions. Aquí tenemos las instrucciones para la tarea y la tarea está aquí. Haga clic aquí. Más instrucciones aquí. All right, and remember, no tenemos escuela el próximo lunes, el 25 de mayo, because it's Memorial Day. So we do not have school on Memorial Day. I'm going to write that in our classroom here. That's next Monday, okay? And I will send a message to your parents too about that. All right, if you have any questions, you can write them here. Si tienen pregunta, puede escribir aquí. All right, everybody, have a great day. Bye.